Watch that video.
Why I never make a report before. I try it first in my life. There with an police station and I can't do it. So I come from Sav, come to find out police, going to my house without nobody there in my yard. Come at the station now, then say I have to go in the come. Police are target me for years. Yeah. Now 2020 me get locked up because they find something in my phone and me used to scam. And me admit to everybody and me change my life and everybody see that. And police really still come at me. I go to Sav, you know, while me going to Sav, 3 van load of police fly past me, you know. Yeah, and we have to dig off of the road, literally going at the banking, you know, to a man them a drive and a go on, you know. With their amity, you know. And the man them reach up a bullet tree. I'm afraid for my life. I'm afraid. I tell you the truth. And people are say relocate. I reach a bullet tree. And by me reach people I say, boy, I'm glad they did it. One bag of police come and then go over the yard and search up that yard there. And then left from over there, go over for your yard. I see them pull the door and go in your house. Because we no lock the door with key. And the back door was wide open. So then walk in through the back door as well. Imagine, nobody in the yard, nobody in the house. Why? What may I do? What make I make people send on my yard every minute? How much time I come and I beg and I plead? And I show no say I not do nothing wrong. See Melissa blow ya and I help all the kids them for free. I can't see it say me is a change man. I did make a mistake and I'm sorry, I say 10 dozen times. And I come now and make report them and say, in the come. I go serve 2 times already. And a report me did try make, but me make one little complaint. And I tell them, say, yo, I go with my brother, we are pastor one night time. And one night time I go with my woman and I tell them what happened. And one soup when did there, one lady, I tell me say, me must in a wrongdoings if police keep on and come at me. All me explain what it was. And it continue. The man them a say, boy, in the come and I tell them say, I have to go use social media to help me. Then say I use any media when I want to use. I don't know what to do. People tell me to relocate and if I could, more than do it 10 dozen times already. But me build a whole piece of house today already. And if I go build one house, you know, how me go do it? My woman walk down at this side. My picnic go to school down at this side when school operational. What me do? The 3 van load of police were flying a bullet tree today. Please, I need a row reversal. The light not even shining on my face good. Don't leave me alone, please. I know no see people are like this with them here, I'll stay like so and be don't think so, boy, yeah. You want to stigmatize people out there and look on something too. But please, don't leave me alone. I know no wrongdoings. Don't leave me alone, please. May I beg you if you know watch the video here, to advocate for me and share that video here. If you don't know me and see what me I do. Right? You know, share that video here and kind of help me out in any which way you can. In the come, they might tell me say me have to come a BR town. Why? Why in the come department kind of every station? Why you not make it so hard? It's so easy for them fly come on my yard. But if me have to report them, me have to go a BA. Me have to go in a one different parish. Me have to go in a one different parish. You see how the system stay. It's alright, man. I go there till one day. People just go here say police get rid of me. Because they come and find sitting in my house or in my yard. And me I tell you no say nothing now go there. I lie them I tell. Right now amount of people I tell me say me if I go search up my house good down there far. Then go to the left sitting.